How to tag people on Instagram post. Tagging people on an Instagram post is super easy and helps increase engagement by notifying the tagged users. And here's how to do it step by step. First of all, open the Instagram app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once inside the Instagram app, simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom center in order to post something. Simply choose post option available there. Select the photo or video you want to post. Then tap on the next option available at the top right. Now apply filters, edit if you want, or else tap next again. Now here you'll be navigated to tag people option available. Tap on it. Once you tap on the tag people, you can tap anywhere on the photo or you can type the username of the person you want to tag and select the correct account from the list and tap done and continue to write your caption and hit share. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.